Good morning, student. In a previous video, we discussed about the sale promotion, its benefit and sometimes its limitations also. Today, in this video, we discuss about the techniques of the sales promotion. The first technique or activity increasing the sale promotion is rebate. Rebate is considered about amount to be deducted in MRP, that is called rebate. For an example, if the product is costing rupees 30 but इस तरीके से कट करके वहाँ पर लिखा होता है रुपीज़ 25 या लिखा होता है ₹5 ऑफ, दिस इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ रिबेट. In this, we never say that there is a discount of 5 rupees. We will say that there is a rebate of ₹5. The common difference between rebate and discount. Sometimes the people consider this is the same thing. No. In the marketing language, these both have their own meanings. Rebate means discount in rupees, that is ₹5 off, ₹200 off, that is rebate. And in percentage, that is discount. 10% off, that is discount. 5 rupees off, that is rebate. Okay. Offering product at less than in list price. Example, a shoe company offering 50%. That is called discount. That means discount is always in percentage and rebate in always in rupees. Refund. Refunding that part of price that the customer or some proof of purchase, say on return of empty foil and papers. This is commonly used to food product companies to boost their sale. For example, when we purchase the all out, और जब refill खत्म हो जाता है तब एक स्कीम निकाली थी कंपनी में, when you give a empty refill in return to the next purchase, then 10 rupees off. That is called refunding. Product combination, that means toothpaste के साथ toothbrush free, that is called combination. Offering another product as a gift along with the purchase of a product, say offer of a pack of half kg of rice with the purchase of 1 kg of atta, or get 128 KB memory card free with the digicam. This is a combination, product combination, which the product is sometimes it's complementary to the each. Quantity gift, that means 40% extra, in which 40% extra that means कोई एक नमकीन का पैकेट है वो उसकी जो net quantity है 200 ग्राम, and 40% extra that means 80 ग्राम more आ गया. मतलब you have to pay the payment, you have to pay the price of 200 gram but you get the product 280 gram. That is called quantity gift. Another one is instant drawed and assigned gift. For example, scratch card or burster cracker, or industry winners refrigerator, car, t-shirt or computer with the purchase of a TV. Lucky draw, when someone is buy so many goods and they give you a coupon number is drawn into an empty box and they pick randomly a one card, and the one who owns that card will get the prize. That is called lucky draws. This is also done for the sales promotion. Usable benefit, purchase goods for ₹3,000 and get a holiday package of 3,000 free and get a discount, that is usable benefit. Full finance for 0%. Sometimes this facility is given by the credit card and the debit card to increase the sales volume of a company, and you have to pay the amount in a easy installments. Sampling, offer a free sample of a product, say a detergent powder. Sometimes they are done by door-to-door selling. Okay, when a girl is coming or boy is coming and give you a free sample of new product. Sometimes a free sampling is provided for the launching of a new product only. Contest, competitive events involving the application of skills or luck, say solving a quiz and answering some questions on, then they give their product. Sometimes when you move to a mall, there are so many sales promotion boys and agents are there. They are asking some question about the company. If you give the answer, they give the product to use, and this is also a part of the sales promotion, because when you get something at gift, you also use it at your home, and if it is the best of quality, then you are not going to the mall again to win the contest, because it was for the limited period. Then you buy that product online or to go their shopping store. So these are the 11 techniques of the promotion. Okay, the rest of all we discuss in the next video. Bye bye.